कॉपीराइट क्लेम आने वाले हैं, लेकिन फिर भी हम रिएक्ट करने वाले हैं. So what is up everyone, this is me Mukesh and welcome you to Mukesh Network, and we are back with another one, and today we have a new rapper, a brand new rapper, Mrunal Shankar. We got Mrunal Shankar on the deck. First single under Kalamkar label, if I'm not wrong, and song name is Katte. And Mrunal Shankar. Now look, काफी सारे rappers हम देखते आ रहे हैं, but what Indian desi hip hop scene really lacks is female rappers. We need female rappers to dominate this shit. We need more female rappers. देखो हम जब all in all हम जब बाहर के रैप सीन की बात करते हैं तो वहाँ पे फीमेल रैपर्स हैं, वहाँ पे फीमेल रैप आर्टिस्ट हैं जो कि मेल से ज़्यादा फेमस है, यू नो, और उनके वीडियो ड्रॉप होने के बाद मिलियंस व्यूज आते हैं. ऐसे we want that in desi hip hop scene. We want that in here. We want in here Indian rap scene में हमें वो चीज़ चाहिए कि female dominance दिखे. Get it to the top, man. Get it to the top, sisters. Come on. But we have Mrunal Shankar here. Mrunal Shankar. See, I love one and only my favorite female rap artist, Rajkumari. I love her because she's so powerful. Powerful in the sense कि जब वो spit करते हैं ना बाहर, जब वो माइक पे स्पिट करते हैं ना, लगती है एकदम दिल पे आके लगती है, एकदम कोर पे आके लगती है कि सोल से गाया होता है एकदम. Like she's the queen, man. That's how you should roll. Behave like you were the queen. You're ruling the scene, man. And Rajkumari, she is Rajkumari. But we have Mrunal Shankar, and high hopes for this one. Let's go. Let's see what is this all about. But yes, copyright claims लगने वाले हैं. Please लगा दो. I don't have anything to say, but please block मत करो. That's what I'm saying. Okay, let's go. But before we get into this video, we have an intro. So let's get it.
Everybody sing that shit.
Alright everyone, let's get into the video. Kalamkar presents copyright claim. Sound बढ़ा देंगे. Okay. Oh, this is what we want. This is what we want. She is singing, and so beautifully. I know for a fact कि रश्मीत कौर जो है वो क्लासिकल गाती हैं. And she raps too. I guess she raps too, or maybe she only sings. But she was in that Krishna's video. Mrunal Shankar, she's definitely practicing singing, bro. She's definitely, and I am excited. If she can rap and she can sing like this, nothing can stop her. Nothing can stop her, man. And if she doesn't go to the top, and if she doesn't rule this scene, then man, आपकी गलती है, man. आप लोगों की गलती है कि आप लोग सपोर्ट नहीं कर रहे हो, अच्छे टैलेंट को सपोर्ट नहीं कर रहे हो. Man, come on, man. We're gonna take that back. रोंगटे खड़े हो गए, man. The voice is so, it is so sharp.
ताने कटे 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 फिर एक बार आई हूँ आज मैं रैप करने मुझे कहने दो दिल की हर बात बात और बीट
No, no. You gotta be kidding me, man. She can fire, man. She can fire like this. She can spit like this. You're telling me that she sings like that and she can spit like this? This is insane. I'm not ready for this. Look at the flow, man. Just listen to the flow.
फिर एक बार आई हूँ आज मैं रैप करने मुझे कहने दो दिल की हर बात बात और बीट खास उसे बहने दो बहनों को मेरा सलाम और भाई लोगों को भी प्रणाम मेरा मृणाल है नाम गाँव के साथ जाम मुझे भरने दो
Just say.
मैं मगन हुए इसी में चलना संभल के तू इट्स ट्रैप दिल है पतंग उड़े मेरी मर्जी से man I cut the track I give party मैं चलना संभल के तू इट्स ट्रैप दिल है पतंग उड़े मेरी मर्जी से man I cut the track I give party attack make you go
दिल उड़े मेरा पतंग cut the crap man look the word plays. She is going very straightforward. कोई ऐसी चीज नहीं है कि ब्रेक डाउन करने वाली चीज नहीं है. She is going very straightforward, but the flow is crazy, man. The flow is crazy. The cadences, man.
React most strong and then I relax. जो बोला मैंने करके दिखाएगी. I meant it, bro, no gap. Okay, like it, I don't like it, I don't like it. It's a cheesy, messy.
There's some little Cardi B. Little Cardi B. Spice into the video, man. Little Cardi B spice into like we when we talk about female rap artists, we talk about the queen now. We talk about Cardi B, man. So this is a little shout out to Cardi B.
I meant it, bro, no gap. Okay, like it, I don't like it, I don't like it. It's a cheesy, messy rap में मैं नहीं करती. I go 4x4. जरा कर दो गोल. कौन कमजोर और कौन कठोर? हाँ, इसे जल्दी है टॉप करने के कौन कर रहा सीधा स्कोर. Ground floor से है पढ़ रहे शॉट कौन से? Who's here for the long ride and who's gonna leave after foreplay?
Look, ये जो लाइन है ये मैंने बहुत सारे रैपर्स आजकल बहुत सारे रैपर्स ये लाइन बोल रहे हैं. They're saying it very differently, but they're saying it कि 4 दिन की तुम 4 दिन के लिए आए हो. You're rapping for the fame you want right now. You're not going for the long run. You're not thinking about the long run. You're just thinking कि मैं अभी गाना डाल दूं और अभी मेरे को सब मिल जाए, सब मिल जाना चाहिए. अगर नहीं मिला then you're out, man. You're out. That means you're not passionate, man. That means you're not passionate and you're not thinking about the long run. And if you're here for the short run, man, come on. But she says I'm not here for the short run, man. I'm here for the long run. And that's how I start my journey, man. That's how I start my journey. And she says that हम यहाँ पे है लॉन्ग राइड पर. What? Let's take that back, man.
Flow से है पढ़ रहे शॉट कौन से? Who's here for the long ride and
who's here for the long ride and who's going after the foreplay? Foreplay, long ride, man. Come on, man.
Gonna leave after foreplay. Gone Gandhi, gone God say.
Lot of people go after foreplay, man. That's true. In Indian hip hop scene, lot of people after putting 1 or 2 songs, they're out, man, because वो सोच रहे थे कि हमें 1-2 गाने पे ही हमें सब कुछ मिल जाएगा, man. The fame, the vibe, the appreciation, सब कुछ मिल जाएगा. 1-2 गाने, 3 गाने, 4 गाने, maximum 5 गाने डालकर. Man, no. Look at this artist. कितने सारे artists हैं Indian देसी hip hop में. You will not grow with like 5 songs out. Come on, man. You need to put yourself out there, man. Come on. and if we turn this Indian hip hop scene को हम भूल के हम असली foreplay वाली बात है तो वो भी सही है. lot of guys, man, they're just done after the foreplay. Come.
पूछो हिप हॉप की गॉड से जो बसता है उन सब में जो जिंदा है म्यूजिक के शोर से.
And let me just take a minute and appreciate how beautiful Mrunal Shankar is looking, man. She's beautiful. I mean, previous shot, look at this. Her eyes, her hair falling right here. Oh man. Oh man. She's beautiful.
पटरी पे आ रहा जीवन बदला जब मैंने दोस्तों को पीछे छूटे और नए अलग अलग दोस्तों को. वो मरियाटी हम Sherlock Holmes. Oh please now don't stop ho. Release new shit again. I'm never done. Walk home. बस 1.5 साल पहली बात है डाला था मैंने पहला रैप. तब से है जाना खुद से गाने बनाना it's a trap. संभल के चल चल के थक गई हूँ ये भग गई है लत लग गई है लत लग गई है मुझे गानों की लत लग गई है लत. अल्फाजों से करने की फिंगरिंग ये साली कलम ही बन गई मेरी फिंगरिंग. सजाती हूँ उसको अनामिका पर और कुछ लोगों के लिए मध्यमा मेरी ऊपर ही.
She's savage, man. She is savage, man. You guys go F yourself, man. Come on, man. Oh, man. Just take that back. Just take that back.
ये साली कलम ही बन गई मेरे फिंगर रिंग. सजाती हूँ उसको अनामिका पर और कुछ लोगों के लिए मध्यमा मेरी ऊपर ही. पहले थी दूसरों के गाने गाती फिर भी फिलहाल मैं हूँ उन सब से आगे काफी क्योंकि शायद ज्यादातर लोगों से ज्यादा सेलेबल मल्टी सिलेबल बिन भी मेरी गाड़ी बेहतर भागी. होनहार हथियार मेरे यार सा है साहूकार शब्दों के और हिप हॉप रब. नया नाम साउंड करता साउथ इंडियन पढ़ा है मराठी रैप. मृणाल शंकर नाम याद गाने कटे ढूंढ बाजाऊ रे.
Just remember the name Mrunal Shankar. Just remember the name. क्या मुर्गियां है यार. She is like a whole package. She's like a whole package. Look, the screen presence is absolutely phenomenal. She's dominating in the screen, man. She's dominating the video, man. She's like the queen, ruling everyone. Video में dominance है. Like she know how to move, she know how to pose, she know how to sing, and not like just no. She really knows how to sing, and she raps like shit. What? She's fire, bro. Look at that. Alab, kya alab. Oof.
मृणाल शंकर.
Yeah, she's a beautiful. Mrunal Shankar is in the house, man. Make some noise. Come on. What a song, man. What a song. This is definitely going to my playlist, man. This is definitely going to my playlist. And if anyone asks कि Indian hip hop scene में female rappers का है, I will show them. I'll show them this, man. Have you heard about Mrunal Shankar? Huh? Go listen to her, man. Go listen to her. क्या कहना बाकी रह गया? The whole package. I said it earlier, man. The whole package. Video काफी lit था. She was dominating the whole video. No, screen presence काफी बढ़िया. She is beautiful AF. She can sing. She can rap. Her flow is not boring at all. Her flow is unique. She's fire. She's fire. If I have to sum it up, she's fire. And this shit is fire. Katte, man. The original video link will be down in the description below. Go and give it a like. And I can't wait. Mrunal Shankar ji, if you're watching this, I'm already waiting for your second song. I'm already waiting for your second song. Drop it. Just drop it. As soon as possible, just drop it. I know, काफी सारे काम होने एक गाना drop करने के लिए, but just drop it. But anyway, man. Anyway, Kalamkar, man. Kalamkar is pushing such amazing artists, man. Such amazing artists. और जो artist कलमकार में आकर गाना रिलीज कर रहे हैं, वो आर्टिस्ट के गाने और भी ज्यादा खिल रहे हैं. कम ऑन. ये कलमकार नाम में ही कुछ अमेजिंग है. और ये सरप्राइज भी मैं सरप्राइज हो जाऊंगा अगर इस वीडियो में कॉपीराइट क्लेम ना आए तो. बट आने वाली है. बट एनीवे गाइस, आपको ये रिएक्शन दिखना चाहिए. एंड appreciate all the female artists trying to get into this Indian hip hop scene. Support them, okay? Support them, and they are fire, bro. They are fire. Rather listening to Cardi B, Nicki Minaj, they're queen. We all know they're amazing. Megan Thee Stallion. Support Indian female rappers too. They're fire too, and they can spit bars. You saw that, right? Support them, man. Support them. Okay, that is it for this video, man. If you like this video, give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be posting regular content. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.